Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Fiat 500 and Alfa Romeo Mito. We'll explore their distinct personalities, from the Fiat's charming retro appeal to the Alfa Romeo's sporty stance. Understanding their core differences will help you decide which Italian compact car best suits your lifestyle and driving preferences. Let's dive into what makes each vehicle special. When it comes to performance, both cars offer a range of engine options. The Fiat 500, known for its nimble city driving, typically features engines from 69 to 160 horsepower. The Alfa Romeo Mito, with its sportier aspirations, provides a broader power band, often from 78 to 170 horsepower. The Mito also frequently includes a DNA selector, allowing drivers to switch between dynamic, normal, and all-weather driving modes, adjusting throttle response and steering feel for a more engaging experience. Stepping inside, the Fiat 500 embraces its retro roots with a distinctive dashboard design and modern touches like a 10.25-inch multimedia display. The Alfa Romeo Mito, on the other hand, offers a more driver-focused cockpit, often with higher quality materials and a sporty feel. Both vehicles typically include essential modern features such as Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration, ensuring you stay connected on the go. The Fiat 500 also offers a panoramic fixed-glass sunroof on some models. In terms of practicality, the Alfa Romeo Mito generally offers more space, being about 43 centimeters longer than the Fiat 500. The Mito also boasts a larger boot, providing around 270 liters of cargo space compared to the Fiat 500 185 liters. While the Fiat 500 excels as a city car, the Mito offers a bit more versatility for passengers and luggage. And speaking of smart choices, check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.